Pension leak. If you're living on a pension, even losing $50 a month to hidden fixed costs can feel like a punch in the stomach. You pay the same bills over and over, yet your money seems to disappear faster every year. Today I'll show you how many people overpay on their regular bills without even realizing it, and how you can start keeping more of your pension for yourself. Up next, we dive into clear promise. By the end of this video, you'll have a simple plan to lower your fixed costs on things like utilities, phone, insurance, and subscriptions without feeling deprived. We'll walk through real examples, exact phrases you can use on the phone, and small changes that may free up extra money every single month. You deserve to enjoy your pension, not send it all to companies that quietly raise your bills. Pain empathy. Your pension or fixed income usually stays the same, but your bills slowly creep up year after year. Many people over 50 tell me they sit at the kitchen table with a stack of envelopes, heart racing, wondering which bill to pay first. It's exhausting to feel like you did everything right, worked for decades, and still feel squeezed by rent, insurance, and utilities. Up next, we dive into Bill Map. Bill Map. Take one quiet hour this week and lay out every regular payment you make: rent or mortgage, utilities, phone, internet, insurance, streaming services, gym, and anything that hits your account automatically. Many people find they have small monthly charges they forgot about, like old subscriptions or extra services on their phone bill. Circle any bill that hasn't been reviewed or renegotiated in over a subscription trap. This is where it gets really interesting, because small subscriptions can quietly eat a big bite out of your pension. Go through your bank or credit card statement for the last 2 or 3 months and highlight every repeating charge, even if it's just a few dollars. Ask yourself, do I actually use this? And if I canceled it today, would my daily life truly get worse? Up next, we dive into phone internet. Many seniors are paying for phone and internet packages that were sold years ago and no longer match what they actually use. Before you call your provider, write down how much data or minutes you truly use in a typical month and what you're currently paying. When you call, calmly say something like, "I'm on a fixed income and I need to lower my bill. What cheaper plan can you offer that still gives?" Housing utilities. Now, this next part is crucial, because housing and utilities usually take the largest slice of your pension. Even if you can't move or change your rent right now, you may still lower your monthly costs with small, practical tweaks. Many people save on electricity just by switching to efficient bulbs, unplugging unused appliances, and adjusting heating or cooling by a couple of degrees. Up next, insurance review. Insurance for home, car, or health can feel complicated, so many people just let it renew year after year without checking. Set aside time once a year to call your insurers and ask directly if there are any senior discounts, loyalty discounts, or ways to reduce your premium without losing essential coverage. You might be able to raise a deductible slightly, remove extras you don't need, or bundle. Quiz engage. Quick question for you. If you add up your rent or mortgage, utilities, phone, internet, insurance, and any loan or credit card payments, how much of your pension disappears before you even buy groceries? Is it about half, more than half, or almost all of it some months? Type half, more than half, or almost all in the comments, because seeing your own number in writing can be a powerful wake-up. Debt. Fixed monthly payments on credit cards, car loans, or personal loans are another form of fixed cost that can trap your pension. If you carry balances, consider calling your lender to ask about lower interest options, hardship programs, or a realistic payment plan that fits your income. Some people find it helpful to focus on one smaller debt first, paying a little extra each month while keeping everything. Weekly habit. Wait, there's something most people miss here. Checking your money once a week can be more powerful than worrying every single day. Choose one day, maybe Sunday afternoon, to sit down with a cup of tea, glance over your upcoming automatic payments, and compare them to your pension or income for the month. Ask yourself 3 questions. What's fixed, what can I lower, and what can I cancel or pause for?